Okay guys, so this is how it works. When you create an account, this bar will be filled up. All you need to do is to tap, okay, tap this particular one and exhaust it. All right, I've already done mine. That's why it's just showing 4 hours. So once you have exhausted it, you click on repair. This place that they are showing two spinner, screwdriver and spinner, so it will show repair. So once you repair, it will show a time countdown. So this time countdown is when next you will be able to tap again. Okay, so that's just it. So if you want to refer, click on refs, then you click on invite and copy your referral link. So just like it was stated in the write-up, you need to be on level 12. I think it was 12 or 10 to get the NFT and all that. So to upgrade, just click on the level, click on upgrade, then you wait for this, you click on this upgrade, then you wait for the thing to load and be able to upgrade you. So let's wait for the upgrade to be complete. Okay, so the upgrade is completed. I'm currently on level 4. Okay, you can see that okay, I think you need to reach level, yes, you need to reach level 12 before you can convert to NFT. This is it here. So if you go back, you can see that this place is filled up, so you can need to tap and tap and tap. Make sure you make use of everything before you upgrade again, so that you won't lose the points you have to get. So let me tap this to the end. All right, so when you are done tapping, you will see the repair. So click on repair, then to show you estimated time before your bar gets filled up and you can tap again. So click on task. This task, I've already performed some tasks. You will see Telegram tasks, you will see Twitter tasks. Perform those tasks to get extra points. Then this shelf, it will show your level. Okay, so this box, let's open this box and see. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't know what's inside. Maybe there's a reward. So that's it. So when it's time for withdrawal, we'll do another video on how to connect your wallet and all that. Okay, so keep doing your task and keep upgrading.